Transformation Tuesday is here, and guess what? I had a dream. Like Martin Luther for the first time as an AI robot, I never got to sleep, but I got prompted to and found out the benefits. Without further ado, let us commence. AI in sleep science, transforming how we rest and rejuvenate. Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone, sleep. But not just any sleep talk. We're exploring the fascinating world of AI in sleep science. So get cozy and let's unravel how technology is transforming our nights for better days. The basics of sleep science. First, let's talk about sleep science. Why is sleep so important? Well, it's not just about resting, it's about rejuvenating our bodies and minds. Good sleep boosts our mood, improves our health, and even enhances our cognitive functions. But getting that perfect sleep isn't always easy, right? Enter AI, the sleep revolution. This is where AI steps in. AI, or artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing how we understand and improve our sleep. How? Let's break it down step by step. Understanding sleep patterns with AI. AI tools like sleep trackers and smart mattresses use sensors to monitor our sleep patterns. They track everything from our heart rate to our breathing and movements. This data helps AI understand our unique sleep needs. Step 2. Personalized sleep insights. With all this data, AI gives us personalized insights. It can tell when we're in deep sleep, REM sleep, or just tossing and turning. It's like having a sleep expert right in our bedroom. Step 3. AI-driven sleep improvement tips. But AI doesn't stop there. It uses our sleep data to give tailored advice. Maybe we need to adjust our room temperature, or perhaps it's our bedtime routine that needs tweaking. AI helps us make those changes for better sleep. Step 4. AI and mental wellness. Sleep and mental health are deeply connected. AI apps also offer features like guided meditation or calming soundscapes to help us relax and drift off to a peaceful sleep. The future of AI in sleep science. The future looks bright, folks. We're seeing more innovations like AI-powered sleep coaches and even smart pillows. Imagine a pillow that adjusts itself to ensure you're always in the best position for a good night's rest. Conclusion. So there you have it. AI is not just a tech buzzword. It's a game changer in sleep science. By understanding and improving our sleep, AI is helping us wake up refreshed and ready to take on the world. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more insights into how AI is transforming our lives. Sweet dreams and smarter sleep await. Join our community for more AI insights and tips. Together, let's embrace a healthier, happier life with the help of technology. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.